Sup everyone, Cyan here, checking out the moon landing keycaps today. There is only one company I know that produces the metal keycaps, and that is Awekeys. The moon landing series comes in 3 colorways, black, blue, and grey, which is the one I'm having. This one is called as the bright side of the moon. It supports 116 keys, which should be enough to cover 100% keyboard. With additional keycaps catering ISO layout, I don't see any Mac Legends on it, which might be a deal breaker to some of the Mac users out there. Anyways, the keycaps do look like they are made of marble, but it's actually crafted by what they call the eco-friendly recycled material, reducing the metal footprints according to them. Although you see, the unit I have on hand have no legends on it, that's just a prototype, so no worries on that. Quick sound test first, let's have a listen. As what other YouTubers have said, pairing with metal keycaps is often the quickest way to achieve a talky sound profile. My experience with the keycaps is fairly positive. They are cold to touch, bottom out definitely feels more solid as compared to a PVT keycap. Some keycaps are tightly fitted, especially on the function keys, whereas on the alphas are easier to install without much pressure. Pricing wise, the moon landing keycap set will start at $200 and Kickstarter shall start at end of this month, 30th of July. Who is this for if you ask me? I think you can pretty much agree to this. $200 for a keycap set is surely on the expensive side, but considering this is a metal keycap set and it takes extra efforts to properly produce each set, I would say this is more of a collector's item. For newbies in the keyboard scene, this is definitely not for you, but for people who want to collect, definitely no harm to try it out. As I said, it is an amazing experience so far. That's all from me now.